Hello everyone, Roman from the Nerd Support team here with a quick update video regarding an email scam our team came across recently that we would like to bring awareness to. In the past week, we received a ticket from a client about a suspicious looking Microsoft Excel file, as per our IT security measure which blocks a majority of automation in Excel, whose data they said was unable to be accessed due to encryption. In order to access the data, they were asked to click on a button that said Enable Content, as some Microsoft Suite files require when downloaded foreign to the user's computer. However, upon looking at the file closer, its true nature became apparent. As a disclaimer, the only editing we've done to this image is the black rectangle at the top to conceal the file name. So, notice anything? There's a few things we can instantly observe. First, look at the table of blurred cells. Not only is it impossible to add this kind of blur effect within Excel, but the blurred table of cells itself is just a screenshot of a different Excel sheet pasted in. We can tell from what looks like blurred parts of a typical Excel sheet, like the column and row axes, the scroll bar on the right, and the status bar and sheet tab along the bottom. Second, and probably the most important point, look at the yellow bar with text where it says Encrypted Document. Click above to enable editing, then enable content. In reality, if a Microsoft Suite file, like Word, PowerPoint, or Excel, is encrypted, a user wouldn't even be able to open the file without inputting a password. So what's the goal of this file and its fake encryption? Well, to the average user or someone not familiar with Excel, they might look at this while distracted or thinking nothing of it and click the button to enable content. Doing so would unleash hundreds of macro files that would create a backdoor on the user's computer to spread malware or ransomware, effectively taking control of the unit. Email scams like these are getting more and more creative, and without the right knowledge or IT security processes in place, businesses that receive and fall prey to these scams are a single and simple click away from dooming their company's data. Luckily, since our client users are well trained against social engineering strategies, any suspicious activity they come across, they know they have the support of a certified managed service provider to ensure nothing malicious gets through the security. Hopefully, this video can spread awareness to your team and provide insight to always be aware of emails coming from outside your organization. If you'd like to learn more about such scams or see if your business has the right cybersecurity procedures in place, visit our website at nerdsupport.com or give us a call at 305-551-2009. Thank you for watching.